In this video, you'll learn how to easily add a text box in DocuSign, helping you customize your documents and streamline your workflow in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login option and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one to get started. After logging in, navigate to the DocuSign Home dashboard. From there, look for the Templates section and select a template that fits your needs. Templates help speed up your workflow by providing a ready-made structure for your documents. Next, fill in the required details, such as recipient information and any necessary fields. Once everything is set, click the Next button to move to the document editing stage. Now it's time to add the text box. On the editing screen, you'll see a toolbar with different field options. Select the text field, then drag and drop it onto your document, wherever you want it to appear. After placing the text box, you can customize it by resizing and adjusting its position. You can also format the text to match your document style, ensuring everything looks clean and professional. Before finishing, review your document to make sure all fields are correctly placed and aligned. Once you're satisfied, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You now know how to add a text box in DocuSign quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to explore more features to make your document workflow even smoother.